It's done already. I have to make plating now. See how it looks? Ho, ho, ho. My fish dorade with coconut milk. If you are not subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe, give me like, share, and hit the bell for my notification below, and leave a comment below. See you on premiere. Bye-bye. Hello everyone. Today I will cook fish with coconut milk. I add pork belly. Add ginger. I add onion. I add tomato together with this cherry. I will not cut this. So this is the one I will cut. So that's it. I add spring onion for optional only. If you want to add, for me I want to add, that's why I have to put it on. So that's it. Then I add chili, the spicy chili. I add long chili green, but not too spicy. Not too spicy. So that's it. And I add put choy. Okay, I put the belly. Okay, a little bit more brown. Put the ginger. Put the garlic. Put the onion already. I put the onion already. Put the tomato. Tomato. Put the miso. I add the coconut milk. Ew. Okay. Get in the green chili. Continuously boiling. I have to a little bit for the soup. I add the fish. add the bok choy. And then the spicy chili. And then the spring onion. And then the spinach. Oh, the fish is covered already. Covering by spinach. Okay. This is my top view. So share, share, share. Give likes. Yes. So this is it. This is my fish dorade with coconut milk. Look at that. If you are not subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe, share, likes, and give a comment below or leave a message below. Leave a comment below. So, according to my video, give likes and share, and always follow my channel. Thank you so much. You are supporting to my channel. Thank you so much for supporting always my channel. See you on premiere. Bye-bye.